Hello everyone and welcome to Tech It Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the app Spotify to listen to your normal songs and music if you're fond of music. So when you click on the Spotify logo, this is what it opens to. So Spotify not only provides songs but also podcasts. So you can click on the podcast of your choice and simply click play. So this is the home screen of Spotify. Now if you want to search for a particular song, you can go to the search bar, and before searching, Spotify will automatically recommend a few genres and categories, and you can simply click on that. Now let's say you want to listen to Hindi songs, you click on Hindi and there'll be several options. If you want to listen to pop, click on pop and you'll get many different songs and different varieties, and you can listen to whatever you like. So let's say you want to search for a song now. You can go to the search bar and search for the name of a group, let's say. So Imagine Dragons. So you search for that and there they go. Now if you want to search for a particular artist, you can name that artist, and as you can see, all the songs by this artist are in front of you. Let's try that again. So Selena Gomez. So if you search for that, you can simply click on the first option, Selena Gomez, and all her songs will appear before you. Now if you click on your library and playlist, there'll be different playlists in front of you. So if you and I'll show you how to make a playlist. So you can click on plus and then write create playlist and give a suitable name to your playlist. Let's say favorite songs. And as you do that, just press create and there you go, it's created. Now you can add all your favorite songs to this playlist. Just click add to this playlist, search for the name of the song and press add. So then you can collect all your favorite songs and listen to them whenever you want. You can also blend with another person who uses Spotify, which shows you all the songs you and that person have in common. Now Spotify also provides for daily mixes. That is, it sees your choices and shows you what songs you might like, and it creates its own playlist for you to listen. All you have to do to listen to a song is click on that song and it will start playing. As you can see, this song has started playing. You have to just press pause when you want to pause it. There you go. So that's it for Spotify. You can let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.